Just be this will be more than a campaign. So it will be a commitment to redefine the monsoon as a season of discovery, culture, and connection. Added to it, we have our festivities of Saujao and the Chikalkalo in this quarter, which will add to the flavor of we talking about and promoting monsoon. So as we build about this new narrative of monsoon tourism, I think this is a new narrative for Goa that will be celebrated with its lush beauty, rich flavors, and warm hospitality, even in the rains.
Anything about rates? Because that's also something that
that's what always being moved. I think the number of inquiries, you can check with the hotels now, with everybody moving in a very positive note. See, everybody need to come together. They have, each one has been in their own platform talking to each other, and that's been there. All the hoteliers who compete, all the OTAs who compete, and all the airlines who compete were bought on one platform. And we said that although there is competitiveness, you all need to collaborate and cooperate. I think they have taken that message very collaboratively with the government, and each one wants to prove a point, and that's how we are looking at this. There will be some test and tries. So we want to see that this monsoon begins a new narrative for Goa with the thought of a monsoon tourism. That will be the start.
Global standard tourism destination global standard tourism destination.
Global standard tourism destination India. Global standard म्हणजे प्राइम मिनिस्टरांनी सांगला, he said that you need to have one iconic spot in the state as a tourism spot. आमच्याकडे already iconic spots असतात, and we are already in the know of developing. The next time छत्रपतीजी उलट असताना you will have one more iconic spot being developed. येता त्या दिसांनी, which today I am not consuming everything, but एक तकलेंदरा infrastructure where we can promote concerts, conventions, events, weddings with a proper defined policy is already in transit. जशी पॉलिसी जातली आणि इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर भर येतलो, तुमकां नवे नवे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर कंटिन्युअसली दिश्टीत पडटले, which will allow us with the help of the center to build a new tourism story for Goa, tourism 2.0.
मान्सून टुरिझमाचेर एक काय आसा, आता मान्सून टुरिझम तुम्ही म्हणतात, कारण चडशे धबधब्यांचेर बंदी घालतात, म्हणजे ते थंय सुरक्षा कितें तुमी दवरतले आणि ते चालू करतले.
म्हाका दिसता पत्रकारान परत बंदी घालता म्हणच्या पयलीं तुमी पयलीं समजून घेवपाक जाय की आमी परत रॉंग मेसेज दिवंक जायना. जे फॉरेस्ट आणि आमचे डिपार्टमेंट क्लॅरिटी दिता की दीस आर एक्टिविटीज विच आर परमिसिबल इन दीस लोकेशन्स, त्या एरियेन आमी दृष्टी कडल्यान आमी लायफ गार्ड घालतात, अँड वी एन्श्युअर दॅट एरियाज आर प्रोमोटेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ मॉन्सून. जी एरिया फाल्यां खंय तरी भितर गांवांत खंय तरी कॉरी आसा आनी उदक आसा म्हणून टुरिस्ट वतल्यान उडी मारतले, नोबडी कॅन लूक एट इट. ताच्या खातीर सरकारान बंदी घालचीच पडटा. सो इट लेट अस नॉट पूट दॅट स्टेटमेंट की आमी बंदी घालता, आमी बंदी घालना, आमी इलिगॅलिटी चलोवंक दिनात. सो थंय आमी जे प्रोमोट करपा जाय एरियाज, थंय टुरिझम विथ अदर डिपार्टमेंट डेफिनेटली वी बीन वर्किंग टुगेदर. आता येता त्या सिजनात अलॉंग विथ फॉरेस्ट कॉर्पोरेशन, डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन, विश्वेदाकडे फाटी उरलेला की विल स्टार्ट प्रोमोटिंग इको टुरिझम इन देअर लँड्स. महादेव आता आमचो वायल्ड लायफ सँक्च्युरी आसा, बाकीचे आसा. People want to come and explore more. We need to jointly work to ensure that the tourism in this area is promoted, so people can get more flavors of this. So आतापर्यंत कितें जाला, आमी दर्या 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 देगेर आशिल्ले, आता आमी भितर जेन्ना वचपाक लागल्या रिस्पॉन्सूय तसोच येवंक लागला. जे आमी सुरवात आता केल्या ती पयलीं केन्ना करूं नाशिल्ली. It will take the new time to build a new story, but a vision plan and document is very clear on how we want to take this journey ahead.
What do we need to do about the influencers who have caused a lot of problems in this country?
I don't see people who have. We are in a democratic country.
Okay.
We are very clear that whatever we are doing is with a very positive thought, and people who know Goa and who know Goans do not need to be identified. Challenges which are there are being met with a very strong hand, and thoi tumka maka the media has to support to ensure that whatever challenges Goa faces in terms of introduction of aggregators, introduction of ensuring that areas are taken out of touts and other things, थंय तुमचो आमकां हेल्प जाय पडटा. आनी ताच्या खातीर जे सेफ्टी कन्सर्न आसा थंय 136 जावं टुरिझम हेल्पलायन बाकीचे ते आमी घाल्ले आसा. सो कोण कितें उलयता कोण बंदी घालूंक शकना, तुवें उलोवंक शकता, हांवूय उलोवंक शकता. कल्चर आनी गोंयकार हे जग वळखतात, आनी ताच्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता आमकां तरी भिवपाची गरज ना, पूण करेक्शन्स करपाची गरज आसा.
टाउन स्क्वेअर तो दिपोत्सव जाता थंय जातलो. थंयच्या सायटीक एक बिल्डींग आसा बांदलेली पळया, आनी रोडाच्या सायटीक आसा, थंय कोण ती भायलो लोक येवन रावता. सगळे थंय हे घातलेले असता कपडे सुकत बी घातलेले असता येता वतना लोकांक कितें हळशीक दिसता तेजेर कितें करिनात तुमी
सर प्लस
तू रावता त्या बिल्डिंगेत
हांव ना दिसता आमकां न्हय येता वयताना
पळयता आनी सांगता मागीर तुका
लेट जालें एग्रीकल्चर